All right, what's up guys? So today I'm working on putting valve springs in the heads. What I got here is just some Summit Racing Pro Series valve springs. They are good for 630 lift. I went ahead and cleaned the head up, ran a razor blade across it, made sure everything was good. So about to start putting some valve springs in. I did pick up a set of BTR valve covers. I like this because you have the option to put, your vent lines wherever you want for your catch can. So these are very nice, look clean. You can also mount the coils to the valve covers if you want to. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that or not, but I'll show you what them look like on the engine when we get these heads done. So I'm gonna get some of these valve springs done and I will bring y'all back and show y'all what that looks like. All right, so I got the first head done. Kind of looks the same. I mean, it's valve springs, so you can't really tell the difference, but the one on the right is the new one and the one on the left is the old one. So you can see a little bit of difference there. So I'm gonna go ahead and snatch the other head off and clean it up, and then we will swap the valve springs in it. All right, so got the valve springs done. I went ahead and threw the BTR valve covers on the engine so y'all can get a look at them. If y'all were thinking about ordering them, they're pretty nice. They clear everything like they should. This is the coil mounts they come with, and you can see why I was talking about not running them, because these up and forward headers. So I'll probably mount mine off the block or off the frame rail right here. But yeah, pretty nice. Look pretty good for the money. They're comparable to the ones that cost $700-800. You can get them for like $250-300. There's a baffle that you can install. You can install it on either side. So yeah, they use stock bolts and grommets. So I'm just waiting for the grommets to come in because the ones I had were ripped. But use all stock hardware, stock gasket. I did get all the valve springs done. Got the head cleaned up. The cam just showed up literally 10 minutes ago. So this is the Sloppy Best cam. This is the imported version. So it was like 200 bucks even. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that thrown in. I have some LS7 lifters here. The cam plates in here. I got a couple of things from Monkey Fab. This is the power harness for the Holly. The one I had was cut very short, so I wanted a full length one so I can run it back to the battery. I got some reducers because I'm gonna run twins and they're V-banded. So this is a 3.5 inch V-band, and this is a 3 inch down to a 2.5 inch. So I'm gonna cut that off, weld that on, and yeah, be ordering some turbos very soon. I got the some Holly connectors for, I think this is the drive-by wire one, and the might be the transmission one, something like that. One of the two of them. There's a bunch of different ones. The other V-band and a cam and crank sensor. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this rear end thrown together, get this cam thrown in, get the long block taken care of, get it sealed up and put in the truck. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out what I'm doing. Just trying to give y'all updates as I move along. I'll video me putting the cam in, or show y'all that process. And yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.